Alright, this series we are going to explain all the questions from the CollegeBoard SAT I math sections. So I will start from practice test 1. CollegeBoard practice test 1, section 3, question 1 to question 5. So I'm going to explain all the questions without using a calculators, because even though they say calculator is permitted, but technically all the questions you don't need a calculators. Alright, so let's start from number 1. The first question asking if x equal to 4, you notice that x is a positive. Then said they want to find the greatest value. Greatest value, normally when you try to plug in the number one by one, you don't need to. You look at the choices A, B, C, D, E. In this case, you notice that all the choices x is in the front. So you have 4 plus all the number, or 4 minus all the number. Then you find out that if you minus the number, you get smaller. So the best choice, you eliminate all the one with the minus. So A, B, C, D, E are all minus value. So the answer will be A, which is x plus 1 times x plus 2. All are positive. So number 2. The second question, you look at the choices first. No, look at the last sentence. Normally, the question starts with the W. What was trend C? You want to find C, speed in miles per hour, if B equal to 7. That's what it's given. So you want to find C. So you go backwards, find out what is C. You look at the third line, you see C speed was twice A, C equal to 2A. Then you need to find A. Then you look at the second line. A is 3 times B, so A equal to 3 times of B. So C equal to 2 times 3 times B, so which is equal to 42 miles per hour. So this technique is that you just reverse reading, find out what they want first. Normally we don't need to get down all the information in the test. You just get down to look at what they want first and look for the information. So number 3, they want to find the average of x, 5x, 6x. No, they actually given the average of x, 5x, and 6x is 8. So because it's 3 numbers, so that means you can find a total. 8x plus 6, 5x plus 6x equal to 3 times 8, because the average is equal to 8, so the total will be 3 times 8. So this is 12x equal to 24, x equal to 2. So let's say number 4. No 2 points. Number 4 said that no 2 points on the graph have the same x coordinate. If they don't have the same x coordinate, that means they will not pass the vertical line test. What's meant by vertical line test? Vertical line test means that you draw a straight line, a vertical line through the graph. You not cut through 2 points, you only cut to 1 point on the graph. So technically you look at the graph A, B, C, D, E, the choices. You find out the choices should be D, because D looks like this. It doesn't matter where you draw the vertical line, you only pass 1 point. So number 5, number 4, you're doing vertical line test. Number 5 is pretty easy. They're asking you again, what percent of the student study butterfly only? Percent of the students study butterfly only. So you look at the graph there, they tell you the total, because even though they give you the number, you don't need to worry, just see what they have. They tell you they have 30 science students. They have 30 students. So you get the B only will be 9 over the total students is 30 times 100%. So in this case, you cancel the 0 right away. 3 and 9 equal 3. 3 times 10 is 30%. So in this case, at the moment, you should have your book with you, okay, before I started to explain all the questions. So far we did each section we divide by 3 to 4 parts. Okay, so this is part 1 for section 3, question 1 to question 5. So next we're talking about question 6 to question 10 in next video.